Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Magic Eden, access NFT marketplace step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Magic Eden. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be presented with multiple login options. If you already have a wallet, select the option that corresponds to your wallet type. For example, you may choose Phantom, Sollet, or MetaMask. After selecting your wallet, a prompt will appear. Follow the prompt to connect your wallet to Magic Eden. This usually involves opening your wallet extension or mobile app. Once your wallet is opened, confirm the connection request. Upon successful connection, you will return to the Magic Eden homepage. You may now access your account features and browse NFTs. If you don't have a wallet yet, return to the login page. Select the option to create a new wallet. Follow the instructions provided for creating a wallet. After successfully creating your wallet, repeat the login steps. Now you are ready to explore the NFT marketplace. Enjoy your experience on Magic Eden. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video.